How to contact airlines through Expedia. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm gonna guide you on how can you contact airlines through Expedia. Now, if you need to change or cancel a booking, it is often best to start with Expedia to ensure your itinerary is updated. What you want to do is open up your Expedia app onto your device. The fastest way is to use Expedia Virtual Agent. That means go to account section at the bottom right, and you just want to go to the help and feedback. There you have chat now, and this is how you will be able to get in touch with a virtual agent, which can handle many requests automatically or connect you to a human agent as well. And likewise, if you want to contact the airline directly, airlines such as others, you could require you to manage your booking directly on their other website as well. Or you could simply go to your trip section. There you want to find your booking and you could see your booking, right? You underneath, you just want to go ahead and tap the flight that you wish to contact, and you will be able to see the helpline number as well. You just want to press that out and you could follow the answering prompt in order to get in touch with that. So that's how you're supposed to contact airlines through Expedia. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.